Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Waves Coin. On 23rd of June, when the market was extremely bearish and the Bitcoin was also moving down, I shared this idea at the Patreon that the Waves Coin has completed the final leg of a bullish reversal harmonic shark pattern, the Fibonacci based shark move. And this was on the daily time frame chart, and the price action was just entered the buying zone of this shark. And let me to show you first this chart. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. Okay, I'm just going to show you the result of this trade, and then I will take you to the current analysis because the price line has again formed another harmonic bullish reversal, and this time the bullish reversal BAT move on the daily time frame. Okay, here we can see that the price line on the daily time frame chart completed this shark move and entered the buying zone. And now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action rallied. This was more than 34% rally. I was expecting up to 50%, and it is rallied more than 34%. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, sorry, this is not the weekly, this is the monthly time frame chart. At this time, this is very important movement for the Waves coin, because if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line after this very big rally has been retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And at the same time, it is testing the EMA 10, the exponential moving average 10 on the monthly time frame. The exponential moving average 10 on the monthly time frame can be a very strong support. This is exponential moving average 21, and this one, the blue one, is the exponential moving average 10. And you can see that at this time, after this rally towards the downside, here the price action tested the EMA 10, and at this time it is moving above the EMA 10, but it has already tested here on this green candlestick. Okay, if we take a look at the previous move, then when we had this rally, let me show you this rally, then the price action moved down after this rally and retested this EMA 10 here. And after testing, we had a very powerful rally towards the upside. And now this is the second time in the history of the Waves coin that it is testing the exponential moving average 10 after a very powerful rally here. And we have one touch here on the monthly time frame chart, and now the price line is moving above the EMA 10. Now, while the price line is moving above this EMA 10 on the monthly time frame chart, remember this is the monthly time frame, and the EMA 10 on the monthly time frame can be a very strong support. If we switch to the daily time frame, then here the price action has formed this descending triangle, and after hitting this resistance of the descending triangle, the price action is moving down towards the support of this triangle. Okay, here I have also placed some other indicators as well, like I have placed this MACD indicator and the stochastic oscillator as well. And you can see that this movement of the price line within this triangle is quite synchronized with these two indicators. These are simple indicators available free of cost at the TradingView. If you don't have account there, then you can use my referral I've shared in the video's description. Now you can see whenever the price line is moving at the support of this triangle and the MACD is giving us the bullish signal. For example, here the price action reached the support, and the MACD was previously very strong bearish, and then here the MACD turned weak bearish from strong bearish. That was a bullish signal, and the stochastic, the oscillator, was oversold. And when we received this bullish signal by the MACD and the stochastic started turning bullish, we can see that we had a very nice rally towards the upside, and the price action followed the signals of the MACD and the stochastic oscillator. Then again, the price line moved at this support here, and you can see that the MACD at that time here, it was strong bearish, and then here the MACD turned weak bearish from strong bearish. Here you can see. So it was another bullish signal. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then after when we received the bullish signal by the MACD and the stochastic gave us the bull cross, like this blue line crossed up this red line, that was the bullish signal or buying signal by the stochastic, then we can see that we had another rally towards the upside. Now this time, the price action is not reached at the support, even though it is very close to the support. But at the same time, if we take a look at this MACD indicator, then we can see that the MACD was turned bullish here for one candlestick for only 1 day, and then again it is turned strong bearish, and at the same time the stochastic oscillator is entered the oversold. So once again we can wait for the MACD to turn bullish, and like you can see that during this video it has turned bullish, but this is just the starting of the candlestick. Therefore we cannot confirm that it is a really bullish signal or it can be turned bearish again. So after some hours we can confirm that it is really turning bullish, and then we can also wait for the stochastic bull cross. Like at this time, this blue line has crossed down this red line. Once this blue line will be moved above the red line again, that will be the buying signal, and the MACD will be already bullish. You can see at this time it is turning bullish. Then we can expect that it can start a move towards the upside without testing the support of the descending triangle. The reason is that we are having the oscillators and indicators turning bullish, and at the same time on the daily time frame the price action has also formed this harmonic bullish reversal BAT move, and from here, from this potential reversal zone, the price action can start a move towards the upside. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, the buying and sell targets of this bullish BAT can be from $12.77 to $12.14. This can be the buying zone, and the sell targets can be from $14.29 to $16.56. However, once the price action will be turned bullish from here, then it can also break out this resistance of the descending triangle, and in case of this breakout of the resistance of this descending triangle, our next target can be, if I place this trend line here and place it at the tip of this triangle conservatively to have conservative targets, then we can see that the price action can move to the $20. Here the price action can hit the $20. That is beyond the sell targets of this bullish reversal BAT move, because you can see that the maximum target of the BAT is $16.56. However, as per the this descending triangle, our next target can be $20, and our stop loss can be the maximum potential extent of this potential reversal zone, or we can also set our stop loss this EMA 10 on the monthly time frame chart, because this is a really very strong support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different ideas, the trading ideas on the daily basis you'll find here. And I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.